Alright, it is finally here, the Halo Infinite Edition Xbox Series X. I am so excited to unbox this. Like, I haven't been this excited about opening up a product in a long time. I'm a huge fan of Halo, and when they revealed this console, I was like, I have to have that. And I was actually looking for an Xbox, so everything worked out. Quickly, before we unbox it, I just want to say how hard this was to find. This thing was an absolute nightmare to order. I actually didn't even get it through Microsoft's official website. I was really bummed out because they sold out in like 10 seconds. It was insane. But I decided to call my local GameStop and I was like, hey guys, like, are you getting any of the Halo Infinite Xbox Series X consoles? And I was expecting an immediate no, but they were actually like, oh yeah, we're getting a few. Do you want to place an order for one? And I was like, hell yeah, I do. So that's how I ended up placing an order for this. So I was very, very lucky because resellers are selling this for a ton of money on eBay right now, and I luckily got mine at retail. Plus, I ended up getting this, which is the Halo Infinite Elite controller. I'll be unboxing this as well and posting a video, so if you guys want to see that, make sure you stay tuned. But for now, let's go ahead and open up the console. Alright guys, so here is the box. We've got Master Chief, we've got the Xbox, and the controller on the bottom there. Really, really cool packaging, I must say. Like, I'm definitely going to keep the box in perfect condition. There's the side, there's the back, we've got Master Chief again. I think this is the same packaging as the original Xbox Series X. The main difference between the original Series X and the Infinite Edition is this side right here, and of course this side, which showcases the console itself, which I think that's a really, really cool shot. Then on this side it just says 4K at 120 FPS, it says 8K HDR, we've got 1 terabyte of storage in here, and it's got a 4K Blu-ray player as well. And here's the top of the box where we can see a little bit of the console design with the Spartan armor and the gold trim with the Xbox logo in gold. Alright, I've got my knife, let's go ahead and open this up here. I want to be super careful, like I said, because I do want to keep this box in perfect condition. Alright, here we go. Oh, that is cool! We've got an image of Master Chief here. The only thing that's colored is his visor, so it kind of fits in with the console color theme, which is like gray, black, and gold. Let's turn it to the side there, so just some more armored plating looking stuff, and then we've got Master Chief in almost like an action pose. You've got the 20th anniversary logo right there, and on the other side we get some writing, and it says, "We crafted this limited edition console to celebrate you, our fans. This monolith of power and performance serves as an expression of our gratitude to all who've inspired and joined us in exploring this spectacular universe. Halo Infinite is our grandest adventure yet, and we invite you to discover its mysteries with us." And that's from the 343 team that worked on the game here, so really, really cool details on the box itself. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, that is a cool unboxing experience. You can see the UNSC logo right there. This, I'm guessing, is the console itself, which is actually pretty heavy. Holy smokes. Oh my god, that is actually pretty heavy, not gonna lie. But just look at how cool that box is. Like, it just sits right in there. We've got the little booklet here, which I'm sure has the digital download code for Halo Infinite. That is one cool box. Let's close it up and put it to the side. So yeah, this little pamphlet... Where the hell's the controller? So there's actually one more thing. I didn't even realize that the controller's tucked in here. I was wondering, I was like, what the heck's going on here? Super sneaky packaging here. So we've got the HDMI cable, then we've got the power cord, and then the Halo Infinite Edition Xbox controller. Now this guy looked really cool in pictures. I'm excited to see what it looks like in person, if I can get it out of the bag here. Oh yeah, oh man. That looks really good. The gold trim really pops and it makes it look really, really good. They've got the celebrating 20 years logo on the back of the controller. The front looks really, really good with all of the armor plating. The gold accents look great. And the grip on the controller is really impressing me. I didn't think it was going to be that tactile, but this actually feels really, really good in the hand. And I gotta say, I love the design that they went with for the Infinite Edition controller. But I'm really excited to see what the Elite controller looks like as well, so I'm excited to unbox that after this video, but this controller does look really, really good. And they included batteries for the controller as well, so you don't need to go out of your way to buy them. Alright, now onto the console itself. The packaging is very, very similar to the other box here. We've got the gold accents and the armor plating and everything. It's also got Spartan 117 on the slipcover too. Alright, it looks like it's in a little mini garbage bag or something. Let's go ahead and take this out. This is gonna be crazy, I already know. Let me just put it like this. Maybe we get a nice vertical shot. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh! Ho ho! Damn! Look at the armor plating with the iridium gold accents. We've got the Zeta Halo Sky. This thing looks awesome. Like, holy smokes. There's the side here. There's the back. It says celebrating 20 years. Here's the other side. It's pretty much identical to the left side, but wow, this thing looks really, really cool. We've got the Cortana blue on the top. What Microsoft is saying is that the top is actually a Cortana blue vent, which it's little details like this that really make me appreciate the overall design. Like, it's very, very simple and minimal, but it's also really unique, and I really like that because it's not really like in your face. Normally, special edition consoles are filled with logos and they're just really, really out there, and the reason why I like this one so much is because of how subtle it is. Like, if you didn't know it was a Halo Edition console, you would never guess that. But I gotta say, I really like the armor plating look. The gold accents really, really pop, just like on the controller. The Cortana blue vent is a nice touch as well. And the fact that they included the 20-year anniversary on the back, even though I'm probably never gonna see that. Just little touches here and there that make this special edition really worth it in my opinion. So here's the controller alongside the console. I think the pair looks great. This is honestly one of my favorite special edition consoles I've ever seen, and to make this even cooler, it makes Halo sounds when you turn it on and off. So guys, I am super, super happy with the purchase today, and I am very, very lucky to be one of the few people that actually own this thing. It's just really unfortunate how fast these guys sold online because of bots and scalpers. But for the big Halo fans like myself that were lucky enough to pick this thing up, I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I am, because I am never going to sell this thing. Like, it's going to be on display whenever the next Xbox comes out, maybe in like 5 or 6 years or something. This is just one of those consoles that you always keep. Like, you do not sell this thing. But yeah, that's my unboxing of the Halo Infinite Edition Xbox Series X. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. And just a quick reminder, I am going to be unboxing this next, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. The Halo Infinite Edition Elite controller looks really, really cool, and I cannot wait to use it playing the Master Chief Collection and Halo Infinite. So stay tuned for that video, but this is the end of this video. Thank you again for watching, guys. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.